Okay, guys, so if y'all watched my previous video, I told you guys that I was returning back the ROG Ally X. It's gone. It's out of here. It's way on the ship. It's gone. It's out of here. Finito. It's out of here. No more. Gone. Busted. Out of here. Like, bro, I got rid of that thing so fast, bro. I'm sorry. I know this video is going to hurt some people's feelings. It's going to hurt the Xboxes because y'all literally think everything's a freaking Xbox. Everything's not an Xbox, okay? You guys decided that just because the ROG Ally, hold on, I'm sorry. The ROG Xbox Ally X and ROG Ally is an Xbox. Even everybody inside Best Buy and all the stores that's actually selling this thing has actually said it is not an Xbox. It's literally just an ROG handheld gaming PC slapped with the Xbox logo on it. What I've been saying all along. Everybody it's to the point where freaking employees gotta tell people before they buy this thing that it's not an Xbox. They literally have to sit up here and say, this thing is not an Xbox. It's a gaming handheld PC with an Xbox logo on it. You can't play your Xbox games on it. You want to know why? Because you have to have Game Pass. You have to buy PC, Play Anywhere games to be able to play it on Xbox. So, you literally is not getting the benefit. So, just to take advantage of the Play Anywhere, it has to be a Play Anywhere title that you purchase from the Play Store, the Microsoft Store. So, if you did not purchase that game from the Microsoft Store, you can't play it. I don't know if it's cross-play. If you brought it on console, would it transfer over towards PC? I know the only games I am not 110% because everything I've purchased was basically on PC. I don't know if Gears of War transfers over to the PC. I know if you buy it on an Xbox console, it does. I'm not 110% about it. Because like I said, I don't buy things on console. I buy things on PC. But the last game that I did buy, I have a large collection of games that should be Play Anywhere, like Rise, Son of Rome, Titanfall on 1 and 2, Assassin's Creed, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, I think. I don't even think Assassin's Creed is part of the Play Anywhere. I'm not sure. Doom should be part of it. Should be part of Game Pass. Dead Island 2 should be part of that, which is not. It's part of Game Pass, and you actually can't do the cross play or cross save. And if you have it on console, you don't get it on the PC. You can get both of them, but you don't get the cross saves. Why? It's part of Game Pass. You should be able to play and transfer your saves from your Xbox to the PC if you have it, but they don't allow it. But this is part of the Play Anywhere, right? Nah. You paying for a subscription to play your games in the cloud, and you still can't. Like, literally right now, it's like you guys don't have the benefit of nothing. Y'all don't have the benefit of playing nothing. You literally have to repurchase your games, and that's messed up. That you Xbots is sitting up there falling for the source. What Microsoft is telling you guys, y'all buying anything. Like, literally, I returned back the ROG Ally X, right? But I got something big and better that's coming. I want to see you guys say, "Oh, this is an Xbox." I really want to see you guys say this is an Xbox, because to you guys, everything is an Xbox, with actually having no Xbox games on it. It's funny because you guys will buy a tampon if it has the Xbox logo on it. I'm just being 100 with it. Like this DJI microphone, right? My mic minis, right? Right here, right? It says DJI on it, right? But y'all call this an Xbox if there was a little Xbox logo right there. You guys would say that's an Xbox. You guys would say this microphone right here, right, is an Xbox also if it had a little Xbox logo right here, right? My controller right here, my FlyDigi Apex 5, right? If it had a little Xbox logo right here, y'all say this is an Xbox, right? To you guys, as long as it has an Xbox logo on it, it's an Xbox, even though it's not. It could be an accessory that just says Xbox, but to you guys, it's an Xbox. Oh, I can't wait for the Sunday chat commentary because I'm going to go in on you guys. I'm going to go balls deep on you motherfuckers, bro. Because I got some shit to say to you guys. Whew. Y'all going to be mad. I don't care if you guys get mad. It is what it is. I'm sorry. I returned it back, but I got something way better that's coming. When I say way better, more powerful than the ROG Xbox Ally X. You know what? I want to spit something to you guys real quick. Okay? Come here. Oh, that's too close. Back up. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now listen to this. Check this out. You got a ROG Xbox Ally and a ROG Xbox Ally X, right? That's nothing but a refresh of the original ROG Ally and the original of the ROG Ally X. But instead, it has two butt grips, vibrator pieces on there, right? Yeah, it's comfortable, but then the hand placement is further than what it is, right? Y'all got no updates on it, right? Listen to me. There's no updates on it. It's just the refreshing. You know what's the only thing that's different on it? Two dildos on the side. And guess what? What is it? Is it an LED? I think it's an LED screen. A 7-inch LED screen. They didn't even upgrade it. They could at least put it at a 7.7 or an 8-inch screen. Nope. ROG did it smart, bro. Asus did it smart. They took the Xbox money, let them throw a little teeny button on it that said Xbox on it, knowing damn well it's not an Xbox, and they cashed in. Because you motherfuckers are stupid. Kamala Harris said it better. Because these are some crazy motherfuckers. I'm sorry, you some crazy motherfuckers, guys. I'm sorry. Asus even went to the point of not even updating it. They just let Xbox put some vibrators on the side of it. Use the same body, the same form factor. And the only upgrade y'all got on it was a Z2 Extreme AI. Really? I mean, Asus did it smart. They took the money and ran. Wait till the Sunday chat commentary. It's going to be fun. We're going to have some fun on this. I'm going to get out of here. It's been 9 minutes already. And I'm going to catch you guys later. Peace.